In this video, I'll show you how to automate approval workflows in Pandadoc, perfect for saving time, reducing errors, and keeping your team's document process consistent. Start by logging into your Pandadoc account and head to the templates section on the left. Here you can create a new template or update an existing one to include your approval workflow. Click the plus sign or create template to get started. Once inside your template, focus on the manage roles option on the right. Add or edit roles so that every participant in the approval process is correctly assigned. Clear roles prevent confusion and ensure smooth document flow. Next, enable the approval required setting. This triggers the automated workflow, meaning the document can't move forward until the necessary approvals are completed. Specify the approvers and notify them so there's no delay when it's their turn to review. Now your approval workflow is fully automated. Every document created from this template will follow the rules and roles you set, ensuring consistent oversight and faster processing across your team. Thanks for following along and happy automating. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Pandadoc tips and tricks.